back to one more episode and of review again. So you've been worrying that why am I not uploading on my second channel. I told it in my last video also, why am I not uploading on my second channel, because it's not like that much good. Actually I wanted to change the phone and put every one on this, so it's on my phone. So basically what am I doing is I'm doing the Glucovita bowls, tablets, basically not real tablets, just fun tablets for children. So I got one pack for you guys to show you how these are. From my nearest store, from Walmart. These can't be sold individually. You have to go and buy the whole pack. Comes in this. I think so. You can buy an individual pack. I'm not sure. So basically, it comes in this pack. I have one already opened, so I'm gonna show you that one. Clear it up for you. It has orange flavor. I got an orange flavor for you guys. Most of the people, they like orange. So basically, what's inside when you open this packaging, when you open the packaging, let's see this capsule, just opening, and then the tablets. Only there are more actually in the top. The tablets are, but I have only few for your demonstrating. So basically, I've eaten like I have only 4. I even have one in my mouth. So I eat lots of these. Sometimes I don't. It's actually dropping everything. Oh my god. So basically, I have one in my mouth and one in my. Let's take a one. No. So basically, sorry, I'm holding it wrong for you guys. Actually, I didn't know what to speak, after I just recorded and I didn't know what to speak. So that's why I'm about, just a little bit out of speeches. And first of all, I'm eating a tablet too. So the bowls, orange. See a little bit of orange if I just close it up. I'm recording with one hand, I'm holding one. And this is the left hand which I'm holding, so that's a little bit hard, but I like my left hand, record. So this is the capsule which you just, Okay, so stop Alexa. So basically this will be our Glucovita bowls finished. So basically this is just the capsule and stuff. So guys, thanks for watching for the Glucovita bowls orange video. So thanks for watching guys, and see you all next time. Sorry for I didn't know any words to actually say, because I'm just thinking of lots of stuff now, so that's why I'm basically just out of ideas what to say and stuff. That's why I'm just slowing down my voice. So sorry just for that, and once I don't know why they say the word, but guys, so see you soon. Bye.